Which synonym belongs to hackneyed? The correct answer is well-worn. Which synonym belongs to despicable? The correct answer is vile. Which synonym belongs to brave? The correct answer is stalwart. Which synonym belongs to pirate? The correct answer is counterfeit. Which synonym belongs to spatula? The correct answer is dough scraper. Which synonym belongs to illuminate? The correct answer is shine. Which synonym belongs to hortatory? The correct answer is inciting. Which synonym belongs to plume? The correct answer is feather in one's cap. Which synonym belongs to nib? The correct answer is thole. Which synonym belongs to enormity? The correct answer is violation. Which synonym belongs to reparable? The correct answer is reparable. Which synonym belongs to hoary? The correct answer is foregone. Which synonym belongs to reticence? The correct answer is hesitation. Which synonym belongs to fantastic? The correct answer is fabulous. Which synonym belongs to squalor? The correct answer is filthiness. Which synonym belongs to tirade? The correct answer is laze. Which synonym belongs to forensic? The correct answer is legal. Which synonym belongs to panache? The correct answer is dash. Which synonym belongs to consanguine? The correct answer is consanguineous. Which synonym belongs to reprehensible? The correct answer is at fault.